Customer came to us and they said, hey, we have this avionics panel for our aircraft that as we build it up in the shop, we start with a composite structure and then they put all their avionics panels in and wiring, and they needed a way to move it in the shop and then be able to position it so that they could work on it. So that was basically the ask. They didn't care how we did it. So we took, knocked this thing out really quick. So we have carts that we make for our shop that we just modified a design of our carts. Made this sub-assembly here. We'll angle it down and put it in the correct orientation for the assembly. So basically the avionics panel will be in the exact position it would be in the aircraft. And then put a little rubber pad, 3D printed this little base because it has a weird, kind of organic shape of the aircraft. So they can set that panel down, clamp it, and then this thing rotates 360 degrees, and it has a pin that locks it out every 45 degrees so that they can kind of orient however they want to be. Rolls on these kind of industrial rollers here. So in the end, worked out really well, and we got them finished. We're about to ship them as a finished product in a box. You can see if you pull this pin, it will lock out in every 45 degrees so that if the avionics panel, someone to work on the back, someone to work on the front, and then to transport it back in their shop, they can just lock it out, move it every which way it had to go. And then it actually has a locking foot here so they can position it. It's not going to roll around anywhere. The base, so we 3D printed this section here, and then these toggle clamps. Basically, the composite will come down and sit in here. This profile we printed because we had to match the profile of the carbon fiber. So it'll set here. It's got this soft rubber pad. These will clamp down. This will clamp here, and then that way it firmly holds the avionics panel, but it allows them to release it really quickly. So this would be a classic job. We're just getting it ready to put in a box. That way all the customer has to do from this point, they gave us the problem, we deliver a solution, they'll just have to open the box and put it to work.
All right, and this is the last step here, getting it all packaged up, ready to ship out to the customer and go make us proud.